Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Opendoor stock. I'm going to be giving you my opinions on everything that we have seen over the last week. Now, first things first, it's been an interesting 5-day period. We can see, of course, Opendoor stock overall is seeing a little bit of red action. But with that being said, a few things are standing out with great potential going forwards into next week. Again, I'm going to be highlighting all of that over the course of tonight's video. If it does sound good, guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But do remember, this is not financial advice. Now, as I say, the past week, well, it's been a mixed bag to say the least. Overall, we can see the stock is dropping quite a bit, but a few things to note. Well, of course, in the late part of Friday's trading session, we are seeing a little bit of a recovery, ever so slightly, certainly not enough to call anything major yet, but it could be something to watch out for, especially with this coinciding with the stock coming around to similar levels of support that we saw way back here on the 23rd of September. Now, admittedly, we did see bottoms just below this over the course of Friday's trading, but again, this could be something in and of itself to watch out for. Now, of course, as we have seen this stock drop over a long period of time, a few things have happened. We've seen the RSI begin to fall yet again, especially from the mid to late part of last week. And again, that is now sat just below neutral. The question is, are we going to be able to hold this bottom? We're looking at strong potentials right around the 690 mark. At the very lowest, we're looking at the 685 mark. I really don't want to see this one go any lower than 680. That is going to be the low end of what I'm looking for into next week, potentially. To the upside, we do have a few levels to break above. Now, it's not far away, but numbers such as 722 could present some resistance. I'm then looking for pushes right above the 740 range, potentially then onto the 750, which could be the first major resistance, with resistance levels all the way through this point. From there, we could see a rise up to the 780 mark, and of course beyond from there. But realistically now, what we're going to need to see is a green week for Opendoor. I think if the next week is red, I do become a lot more concerned, and I think things do become a bit more worrying, especially with us coming close to these key levels. But really, that's my outlook over the past week. Again, into next week, I'm hoping for more ambitious things. Ideally, we would see this one bounce all the way up to the 780s or potentially above, but of course, time will tell. So that's my personal outlook. I'd love to hear yours in the comments, guys. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.